In this video, I'm going to show you one of the simple, easy and highly profitable pocket option 5-second strategy that you can use right after watching this video. I'm also going to show you a money management strategy that you can use to trade binary options in pocket option in an easy way. So I'm on a mission to simplify trading, simplify binary options trading so that you can have less headache while you are trading binary options in pocket option. And as I say in all of my video, no matter whichever strategy you learn either from me or from any paid course or from any other YouTube video, firstly test that strategy on demo account, and then only if it works for you, then only use it in the real account. Don't be like you liked some strategy and directly go and trade on real account. Okay, that may cause you huge loss. So please firstly test that strategy properly on demo account for few days and then only go with real account. Now, without doing any delay, let's get started. Firstly, we'll talk about the money management, which is extremely simple. So you can use either it with $10 or $1 or $100. That depends on you. Okay. So for example, understand it properly. Okay. So first, I made a trade by investing $100 and I made a loss. If I made a loss, then what I will do is I'll again invest $300. And again, if in $300 also I made a loss, then I will invest $900. And if I made loss of $900, then I will stop trading for that day. So if I made a whole loss, then my total loss is going to be of $1,300, right? So if I made a total loss of $1,300, then what happens is I will target the profit of $2,600. $2,600. In that way, my risk to reward will be 1:2. So for example, if I lost $1,300 today and if I made $2,600 tomorrow, then I will still be in the profit. Okay, so if in 2 days in a row I lost $1,300 and in third day I make $2,600, then I'll cover all of my previous losses. That will increase the chance of your profitability in long run if you use this money management strategy. However, you can start to do with $13 also, invest $1. Okay, and then if you lose it, invest $3. If you lose it, invest $9. Your total investment would be $13, and then you can target the profit of $26 per day. Okay, you can do it in that way also. Now let's talk about another condition. So for example, I made a profit on $100. So I invested $100 and I made profit. Now my second investment will again be of $100. Okay, and my third investment will also be of $100 if I made profit. But let's say in third trade I made loss in $100, then again I'll trade in $300. And if I made profit, I'll again start with $100. In this way, I'll keep on trading. Let's say again after 2 trade I made loss in $100, then I will again invest $300. And if I again lost $300, then I will make trade of $900 this way. Now let's talk about the strategy. So let me clear it and put it 100 at here. So strategy is extremely simple. Okay, so if it is going up, okay, if it is going up, so for example at here, okay, if it is going up and you see a red candle at here, so what happened after red candle, you need to notice that. Or for a even more clear signal, what you need to do is you need to see this trend, and you need to see after red candle which candle came, green candle, and after that green candle what happened, another green candle formed, right, in this specific chart. So in here also same thing happened. After red ended and green came, and another also green. After red ended, green came, another also green. So here also it came down, there is a green, and another is also green. Okay, so what you can assume is in this chart, whenever this is falling down in this way and one green candle comes, then another candle will also be green. So this may seem a little bit kiddish, but this works every time. Okay, like for 90%, 99% time this works. You can test it in demo account. Okay, you just need to observe the chart properly. You don't need any indicator, you don't need anything, just use this thing. Okay, so in same case, whenever it is going up, okay, and if one red candle is formed, then what happens? So here you can see, oh, so if it was green, then I would straightly make another trade of green, but it became a little bit late at here, so I made a loss here. Yeah, this is the thing. Okay, so not 100% of your trade is going to be right, so you need to keep on focus. So here you can see one was green, another was also green, that I missed. Now again I'll make a trade by clicking on green, and see in this thread also we made a profit. Here you can see, because this is the pattern of the chart. Okay, after one green candle, what happens? So here was a false signal that I fell for. This thing happens in trading. Okay, you need to focus on what the chart is showing you in real time. You can see in other chart also. So like, let's click on this one and see red, 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 green, another green, red, 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 green, another green. So here are some false signals at here. Here also it is clear. Okay, in this way you can keep on trading binary options in 5-second time frame, and make sure your candlestick is also of S5 and your time frame is also of S5. If S5 is not showing, try to click here and remove this flag and make this watch at here. Okay, and then click on here and you will see the time frame S5 at here and start to trade. Okay guys, don't forget to like this video. If you like this video, then similar type of video will YouTube will start to recommend to you. That's why do like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting and more knowledgeable binary options trading videos. Take care, have a great day, bye bye.